cutting your mask for your sport filter.
And then after I do that, I would sit it here, and that's where you can kind of see. Usually you have to trim the bottom here a little. But then, okay, so then let's look. So here's 3 masks that those are pretty well trimmed. You can see how all 3 of them are a little bit different. And so they might still need a little more trimming to get them to fit good. But I think that's where a good video, Jen did some good pictures, and you can just, you know, because we don't really want to be inserting them.
Right.
So I think this way they have enough material to work with, right?
And just to trim
But
fit.
on this particular project, like, see, it's even kind of sensitive to left and right, right? It's like, so that's kind of what I found is
That's the beauty of handmade.
Yeah, which is fine. It's not a big deal, but I think that needs to be done.